Palantir stock is up a whopping 17% today. So in today's video, we are going to be diving in and looking at what is going on with this stock. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, new to the team, we talk about everything money, stocks, money management, trading, investing. So subscribe, join the team. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, I just released a brand new swing trading course where we talk about my strategy, my mindset, how I find stocks. So I'll put that down below for you guys, but let's dive into this. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go. All right, so like I said, as of today, Palantir stock has squeezed up a whopping 17%. Now, this doesn't happen just every single day with a company like this. This happens when the company announces something fantastic, and that's what they did. But before we talk about that, first we need to understand what Palantir is. Well, Palantir, in simple terms, is a software and data company. They have a variety of different contracts with the US Army, US Navy for millions of dollars. And with that being said, we've seen a ton of explosion out of the stock this past year just because the overall craze of artificial intelligence, data, and software has only increased in the past year. All right, now that we understand that, now let's talk about why the stock has squeezed up 17%. Well, Palantir announced something called an earnings report. So this is when the company comes out and they give you all the fundamentals, the cash flow, the revenue, and guys, they beat expectations. Now, the revenue has increased a whopping 17%, which is always a good indication for future success. It increased from 478 million to over 558 million dollars, which is always a great thing to see. And obviously, when you announce something like that, this is going to cause investors to flock to this because everybody wants to invest in that next Tesla, that next Apple. So if you have a company that's beating expectations, you're going to have investors flock to this and buy this thing up. Now, another great thing that Palantir released was an increased guidance for 2023 for the full year. They're expected to bring in anywhere from $2.216 to $2.22 billion in this next year, which is always a great thing to see. And honestly, in simple terms, that's why we've seen a ton of buying pressure with Palantir. It's just because they're announcing fantastic things that investors want to invest in. Now, should you buy it? Now, analysts think that this stock could easily go way a heck higher. Now, the average price target for 2030 is near and around $30 a share. So for me, answering that question of should you invest into Palantir, personally, I have shares of Palantir. I'm going to continue to invest using the best strategy, dollar cost averaging, so I can get a good average price for my shares. Dollar cost averaging, what it is you're investing consistently rather than just dumping a whole bunch of money all up front. The reason I love investing, dollar cost averaging is because you're investing consistently. So if Palantir does sell off, you're averaging down that price so once it recovers. In the past month, we have seen a little bit of some sell-off from Palantir, and I've been averaging down my price, so now it's up 17%, and my average cost is so low, so I made a lot more money. But guys, that's what's going on with Palantir. I'm super excited to see where it goes in the future. Guys, like, subscribe, don't forget to check out my course, but that's what's going on with Palantir. We'll see you guys later. Hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one.